We want to thank the men and women that are in the the services that are of all the branches that may be dropping bombs over there in other countries, or maybe here in our United States waiting to be sent over to other countries. We want to thank you for what you do. It's an honor for what you do. We're the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV, and we pray for you all the time. So thank you for what you do. And keep fighting for our country. But come home to your family. We will continue praying that you do return. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, we'll all say it together. We're the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. Thank you. What's going on, guys? So happy TGIF to you. It is Friday right now. I am heading out to go get some family mail. Also, not just family mail. I'm gonna go get Rui's medication. So you'll be riding with me for a little bit. I'm not gonna make this a long one. I'm actually gonna make this a short one. So, but yeah, we're heading out right now to go get some family mail. I gotta get gas too, but you may not be with me when I get gas. Just saying. Conversation. But in the other hands, we are, like I said, going to get family mail and going to go get Rui's medication. So, it is a drizzly, rainy day. Horribly rainy day. Miserably. Woo. Hold on, guys. Yes, you saw me throw that cup in the back. It's been raining since Tuesday, non-stop. Today, hopefully, this will go away, and it'll be a nice day tomorrow. Nice day tomorrow. Tonight, I'm going down to a buddy of mine, and he says as long as his grandson's not there, I will be able to do some paranormal investigations. Because we don't want to scare his grandson. So, I will explain the hot spots of what is haunted, where the paranormal is, all that, for sure. So, yeah, but I will explain where the hot spots is when I get there tonight and do my pre-recording. I will not be live tonight because I want to give you all something to watch. You know, I don't mind going live and doing live feeds for you all for different things, but I want to give you all, you know, something to expect, something to look forward to. So that's why I like doing pre-recording, and so you can expect something good going on. So, but like I said, it is a rainy and drizzly day. I will not be taking you all in the post office. So, but I'm getting ready to pull up at the post office because this is not a small post office and they have particular rules and I've got to abide by, you know, guidelines. So I'm here at the post office right now
Getting ready to find me a nice little parking spot. I want to try to find one closer to the door. So I called them today, and they said there is some mail here for one of the family members. So that's awesome. So I will be back. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so we got family mail. Check it out. Family mail. Shout out to the family mail. My mind just went blank. I'll give you a shout out. I'll bring that before I post this. The name will be in here. So guys, that P.O. Box is there for you all. Don't be afraid to write a letter. Don't be afraid to write us a letter, say hello, or drop us a line and tell us what your favorite video is in a letter. That's why we rented the box for. So please, write us something. Drop us a line. If it's just to say hello, how are y'all doing? I enjoy watching you all, or hey, I enjoy this video, I enjoy that video, it's a good video, you know what I mean? Just, like I said, that's why we got it, because it was for you all family members. Yes, I said fans, because it's good to have you all here as fans / family members. So, just, like I said, that's why it's there. So, I'm going with the wrong one. That's why it's there, guys. So, for you all, the P.O. Box again is P.O. Box 266, St. Albans, West Virginia, 25177. Again, the P.O. Box is 266, St. Albans, West Virginia, 25177. Please, just drop us a line and say, hey, how are you doing? You know, we enjoy watching you all. Y'all do a good job. Or just, hey, I like this video. I like what you do. You inspire me, or, you know what I mean? Just do something like that. So, we want you to be happy. We want you to enjoy what you see on our YouTube channel. And we'd like to hear from you. Just not only in the comments, but also in family mail. So feel free, like I said, to drop us a line, letter, send us a letter, or do like this family member did, send us some goodies. Don't know what's in there. So, but it's all good. Oh, the Crazy Mama 3, the fam. Shout out to you. I knew it'll come to me eventually. Eventually. So, I'm here getting my son's medication right now. I'm watching the hand of the gas hand. Make sure it's not going to run out on me while I'm sitting here and YouTubing with you all and vlogging with you all and talking to you all. Like I said, it is a nasty day today. Very rainy and nasty. Very disgusting looking. So, guys, look at that day. Look at that rain. Look at that. It's all coming down, not nasty and wet. It's horrible. It's been doing this since Tuesday. All right, we're moving up. It would help if I put it in gear. So, like I said, I'm just doing little errands today. I'm 4 car lengths behind here in this pharmacist. But I'm just running errands today, just picking up medication, family mail. I know it sounds awkward me calling it family mail. I don't want to say fam mail. I don't want to say fam mail, because that's James and that's Omar's word. So I figured I'll just put the whole word family in it. Family mail. So, But yeah, like I said, I'm just riding around doing some errands, waiting here for some phone calls. I've got to, get a community job, so I can make some money for the family. In 2 weeks, getting ready to hit the road and hit to Minnesota. I'll be hitting the air, actually, not the road, but hitting the air. Be flying out. Oh, I'm scared. I am, really. Never rode a plane in my life, but I was told it'd be okay. It'd be all good. Don't worry. You'll be fine. I hope so. I really do. Honestly, I hope so, because I've never rode a plane. But like I said, it's going to be all good. It's going to be great, guys. This has been a new experience with me. And I'll try. I can't promise, but I will try to YouTube much as I can. I will try. If I can, the thing is about the live stream app, it sucks your battery down quicker, and it does. It literally sucks down quicker. And I won't be I want to YouTube this whole trip, but I don't know if they allow that in the plane. I don't know the guidelines on that. So, but I will try. I can't promise anything, but like I said, I'm going to try. At least I'm saying I'm going to try. So, I hope you all's having a great day. I don't know if y'all's got any rain where you're all's at, but I hope y'all's having a great day, an awesome day, because you all are awesome people. If you're having a bad day, just remember, like I said in my post on Facebook, just remember this. If you're having a bad day, you're still awesome, no matter what. You're still awesome. So, I don't know. Yesterday, everybody was in a bad mood yesterday, basically. It was crazy. It was just one of them days, but it's all good. We're up and about. I stayed in bed all day long. Did not do one thing. I should have, but I didn't. I'm sorry about that. I didn't do nothing, but it's okay. We have those days. Everybody has those days. So, I'm going to see if Rui has any medication here. If he does, I will be getting it and taking it to him, unless it's on the delivery truck. If it's on the delivery truck, that's okay. So with it being Friday, ladies and gentlemen, what are you doing today? Or what is your plans for tonight? That's the question. What's your plans for tonight, and what are you all doing today? Is it raining there where you're at? Is it sunny? Are you going to the beach? Are you planning your vacation? What? Let me know. Let us know. So, I gotta get gas soon. I'm going to be pushing this thing. I'll be holding the camera like, oh my God, I'm pushing the van. Be like one of them deals. Yeah, I was mimicking pushing the van. Shout out to Loop's Pharmacy for being awesome as you are, for inviting us into your family to serve us as a customer and being there for us. You're awesome, Loop Pharmacy. You are. Oh, mercy. If it's a nice day tomorrow, I will be going over to Nitro, West Virginia, and do some YouTubing over there. There's some bunkers over there I want to check out and find. It's in Nitro. They're kindly a little bit hitting. Excuse me. They're kindly a little bit hitted they're kind of a little bit hidden behind trees and stuff. But out here, they usually keep it up. I will be doing a paranormal investigation just to see if there's anything there. I'm not promising that there be anything there. There may not be nothing there. So, but we'll see. It'd be awesome to see if there's anything there. And if I do pick something up, I know you all will let us know if you hear anything. And if we don't, if there's nothing there, I know you all let us know that there's nothing there. That's no problem. I enjoy YouTubing. I enjoy doing the paranormal investigations, and we do it for you all. Yes, it's fun to get out on YouTube, have a good time, and yes, it gets tiring, because you got the YouTubing, and we're a family. We got to take care. Me and my wife has to take care of the kids, and then I do all the editing because nobody in my household knows how to edit. That takes a lot of time too. So yeah, it takes a lot of time out of your schedule. We try to do what we can to make everybody happy and please everybody. That's all we can do is please people. Try to please them, but. One thing we do ask, if you don't care to share out our content, the videos that we have done recently and we have done very new. Excuse me. I have asthma really bad, so I do apologize for this. Anything we have done, any kind of content video that we have done, if it's paranormal investigation, if it's just a reality show, if it's just maybe checking out one, I know we only checked out one Bennett place, but that was, I don't know, that was on Facebook Live, so I don't think it's on here. It may be. Cooking shows, food reviews, reality shows, paranormal investigations. Anything that we do, please share out on your Facebook. Please. We would love for you all to share, because if you all share and somebody on your Facebook or somebody on your Twitter or somebody on your Instagram sees that video and says, hey, that looks interesting. I want to check it out. May hit you up and say, hey, who are these people? Or what was this video about? You just never know. And by you all sharing, that goes around, you know how social media roads, it's like, round of the world, it goes around. Anything you share, even like our YouTube videos. So please share out our YouTube videos on any of your social medias. If it's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, your blog channels, or anything you are on. If you can put a video there, please put it, because we would like for them people to come back over to our channel and hit that. Sorry, hit that subscribe button right there. We're almost getting ready to hit 200 subscribers. We are very close hitting 200. I want this to continue to grow. I noticed that we lost some subscribers. I'm sorry that you don't like what you see. I try to do. We try to make good content for you all to, we try to make good content for you all where you all enjoy it, where you all will continue coming back and watching more. But like I said, we do apologize if there's something that we put on there that you don't like. I'm sorry. And if it's the paranormal investigation, I do apologize for that, but that's what we're into. Sometimes you'll see my family with me. Sometimes you just see me doing the paranormal investigation. So I'm getting ready to move up. So bear with me 1 second. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm lovely. So Rui Mitchell, November the 24th, 2009.
Okay, give me just 1 second.
Okay. So, like I said, more you share out, more people will come and watch. And that's what we want. We want more people to come and check us out. We want people to check us out, to know who we are and what we're about. But like I said, if the reason why you unsubscribe is because of a paranormal investigations that we do, that's what we do. That's what we're going to continue doing. And if you didn't like it, if you don't like the paranormal investigations that we do, I do apologize, but we will be continue doing it because we have, I want to say this, I don't say this, but we have fans here that loves paranormal investigation shows and paranormal investigation, and they love watching what they see. So, like I said, I do apologize, but hopefully you'll decide to come back and give us another chance and subscribe again. I mean, you don't have to watch the paranormal investigations videos. You can watch the food reviews. Excuse me. You can watch the food reviews. You can watch the cooking shows. You can watch the reality shows. You don't have to watch the paranormal investigations. There's other videos on here instead of paranormal investigations that we do. Like I said, because we do a reality show, we do a cooking show, we might done in a while, we do food reviews, and you can watch those and still enjoy your time here. You don't have to watch. We're not twisting your arm and say, hey, watch this paranormal investigation or I'm going to break your arm off. We're not doing that. That's not how it works. That's not how we work. We want you to enjoy your time here. We want you to find your favorite video, watch your favorite ones. If it's just food reviews, if you just watch the food review videos, or you just watch the cooking show videos, like I said, we might have done recently, or just the reality shows. Hey, find your favorite videos, what you like, what we do. Like I said, I named 3 of them right there: cooking shows, food reviews, or a reality show. Just, or the paranormal investigation. If you like them all, hey, you like them all. If you just like the food reviews, you like the food reviews. If you just like the cooking shows, you like the cooking shows. If you just like the reality show, you like the reality shows. Because we do reality shows too when we're going out and about. So, but like I said, find your favorite videos. We want you to come back. We want you to enjoy stuff. So, all right, guys. So I'm going to get out of here. Much love, peace, and respect, everybody. I think I was said well done on my part. I think I said it very wellly and understandably. But like I said, I'm sorry that you unsubscribed. Hopefully you'll come back in the nearest future to give us another chance. But until next time, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, this is Friday, TGIF. Happy TGIF.
Hey. Nah, well, hold up now. Alright, listen. Now, I'm gonna fix this, alright? It's alright. I'm gonna take care of this. Look, I just get these late night feelings, and I just gotta call you, you know what I'm saying? But let me talk about it, come on. Reminiscing on conversations I having with you. We was talking about past relations and having issues. And it's funny how we set the boat and hit the show. The CD pulling on us like a tug of war. Last week I got a call from your distant cousin. She was asking about you and why we always fussing. I told her things better if they left alone. 3 o'clock in the morning, we talking on the phone. I said I was tired so I can have some peace. Resisting from fighting so I just had to cease. And as I hung up, I started thinking about you. feeling lost in myself. Here I am without you. It's crazy how feelings can get the best of ya. Cause my brain is the carrier, hustle messenger. Laying in bed, steady wishing and steady missing. It's all in my head and my mind be reminiscing. I know that I be reminiscing. I know that I be reminiscing. I know, reminiscing, reminiscing, yeah, something missing, reminiscing, 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 something missing, yeah. Turn on my TV, all I see is loving couples. Thinking it's me and you, blinking I'm seeing doubles. Never felt this way before. All the feelings in my head, but they still come aboard. My mind's playing tricks and I ain't talking cereal. It's serious.